Hey guys, for this lesson, you're only going to need your protractor. You don't need a compass or a straight edge. So make sure you have your protractor out. So when you are reading from your protractor, and sorry if this is a little bit messy, make sure you are lining your protractor up with the vertex. So the vertex of your angle here. Okay, so your little right angle-y part needs to be lined up with the very edge of the angle here. Okay, so I'm going to just move this because I already have control there for you. And remember, there are two numbers you're going to be reading. So which one of these numbers starts at 0? Oh, this one does. Okay, so 0 to up here to 35. So my angle is going to be 35 degrees, not 145 degrees, because this one is not starting at 0. Okay, so that is how you measure. Okay, example number 2, taking a look here. So this is our angle here. So we have to start at our beginning of our angle. So right here and all the way to the edge, right? So where do we start at 0? So here and all the way up to about 149. So it's a little less than 150. Okay. Now, one other way you know that this is not going to be, for example, 31 is that this is an obtuse angle, right? So if it's 31, that means it's smaller than 90, and this is obviously not smaller than 90. So once you've read from your protractor what your angle should be, just do a double check to make sure that that is what you're expecting. So, oh, I have an obtuse angle, I should have an obtuse measure, an obtuse angle measure. All right, now when we are dealing with reflex angles, so blurb like this, now you can't do 360 degrees using your protractor. So the easiest way to do it is to measure the obtuse or acute angle. So if you're measuring this reflex angle, for example, you just measure this, and then there are 360 degrees if I go around the whole circle, and you just minus whatever that angle you measured it that to be. So 360 degrees minus that angle will give you the angle that you want. So for this, measuring, so 0 to 135, okay, remember if I measured this and thought it was 45, this is not an acute angle, this is an obtuse angle. So you need to look at the obtuse measure. So 0 to 135 degrees. Now we do 360 minus 135 and we get 225. So this is how you measure a reflex angle. So you have to do 360 degrees minus your obtuse or acute angle to get what it will equal. All right. And this is your assignment, is these 5 questions. So you can go on and do that. Remember, make sure you know which angle you are measuring. Okay.